Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I wanted to share a slimline Christmas card that I made, and I made it with the Classic Christmas paper pad by Stamperia. So this is turning into a card making season so far. But like I've always said, I'm not a card maker, and I thought, let me give it a try because I need Christmas cards. So anyway, this is the Christmas card that I have made, and I used the largest die in the set for this gold mat down at the bottom right here. And then I used the next smaller size to cut this one out. So I used the polka dot stars or dots and stripes from the paper pad that I had gotten through my ASC design team package this month. And that was the first mat. The second one is this gold one. And then I used foam to pop up this card, or the next mat. And then I put some of this eyelash trim at the bottom, and then some of this little cording. Then I used one of the chipboard pieces right here, and I used some of the poinsettias that I made last week. And then I punched out a border, and I put border right here on each side. This is a Martha Stewart punch, and I just put some on each side. And then I put a little holly leaf up there, some holly with one berry. And I used some of the red and white twine, and this is pretty thick, so I used some red and white twine for the front. This is wrapped around this top mat right here. And then I used stickles throughout the whole, because it has polka dots on there, and I just used the stickles to outline the little, or to highlight the little polka dots. And then I used this, cream colored cardstock. And then on the inside, I used some pearl paper, and I stamped a sentiment on there, and it says, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth, peace, goodwill towards men." Luke 2:14. And I did go ahead and ink the edges. It is, I think, fired brick. Yeah. Distress ink. And then this is where the the sentiment will go, the writing. And that is my card share, guys. I hope you like that. I kind of like it. All right, guys, this is just a really quick share with you, and there we go. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a great day.